Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Robots whizzing around for our last match before lunch. All three Red Alliance robots have left that starting line. Two have done it for Blue. Team Rush in the orange now looking to cycle those Coral up high for 7 points apiece. They've made one, almost made it two, possibly did as Autonomous expires. Now using that ground intake to keep up their scoring. Their alliance partner, 68-78, 68-17, that's 10 factorial, moves up towards the reef, but ultimately loses that Coral they did have as they lined up. Their alliance partner, Metool Brigade, has that Coral in their manipulator. They line up with L3, look to shoot it down, which they will. That's going to be 4 points to your Red Alliance and a possible contribution to some future RPs. Moving over to the Blue Alliance side of the field, 54-92. That's Winner Circle Robo Jockeys lining up with that Coral station, looking to intake a Coral, which they will, loading it into their hopper and now their manipulator, going up to score it, but ultimately losing control and having it fall to the floor. Their alliance partner, 4330 Rambunctious, over at the other Blue Alliance Coral station, lining up with a Coral in their possession, reaching up to go and possibly score it, but getting stuck on a Coral in the process. They do free themselves, however, and fully rejoin this match. Finally, for that Blue Alliance, 5176 Robo Bills lined up with that Blue Alliance Coral station, trying to intake a Coral, which they get it into that hopper. If it can fall in, they will get it, but it just falls out, giving them a little bit of trouble as they try to collect. 48 seconds to go in this match, 64-17, favoring Red at this point in time. All six robots still flying around to look and score, such as 4330 Rambunctious, who reaches up for that Blue Alliance, lines up, but ultimately misses that. Still, the Coral lands in L1 for 2 points. Red Alliance making progress towards that RP. They've now gotten 5 Coral on 3 of the 4 levels for this match. If they can make it get an RP, with the sonar ping we just heard, it's the end game. So if teams want to get end game points, now is the time. Team Rush lines up with their cage and pops up in the air over on the Blue Alliance. Winner Circle Robo Jockeys in the air as well as time expires. Before our lunchtime, it's the Red Alliance taking it with a score of 104-59. Red Alliance walking away with all 6 RPs. Blue Alliance is awarded a barge RP as well due to content.